Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm sick. I don't feel the best, but it is almost Christmas time, so that means we have to start decorating. So I just bought a fiRePLace TV stand from Lowe's. It was on sale. It was a really good deal. So I'm super excited to put that all together and get everything like, you know, in the spirit, 'tis the season, all of those things. So let's get started on our Christmas decorating. So I bought this fiRePLace from Lowe's, and we did not know, but the instruction manual was taped or stapled or something on the inside of the box. So we were kind of just winging it. I was able to figure out that all of Lowe's has their instruction manuals on their website, which turned out to be very helpful until I ended up looking in the box and then I found the instructions, which made it a lot easier. All in all, I would say that this fiRePLace assembly probably took about an hour and a half or so. It really wasn't too bad once we got the instructions figured out and everything put where we could access it. Plus, we had a bunch of help from all the dogs. This electric screwdriver came in pretty freaking handy when it was all fully charged up because it made it so much easier to get everything screwed in there. One of the things that I thought was kind of interesting is this fiRePLace came with wood glue to put the little dowels in and keep them secure. I've never used wood glue on an assemble at home type of thing that's not like custom made furniture or whatever. So that was an interesting little experience. cute. Yeah, I am.
Hi, divas.